Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the SQL Distinct statement. If you look at the bottom, I've got a sample SQL select statement and it's a distinct statement. So you say select, which is obviously when you want to select something from a table, and then you say distinct, all in upper cases. And then you specify the columns that you want the values, distinct values for. So column 1, column 2, it could be anything. And then it could be like column 1, column 2, column 3, etc., so on from, and then you have table name and where, and then the conditions. So everything that's in caps is part of the syntax, and everything in lowercase is part of the data. So these is column 1 is a column in table name, column 2, and then there's obviously you can have a condition. Now where is an optional clause, you don't need where, but so I'll just read, now let's just read what it is. Select distinct statement is used to retrieve unique values from a column or combination of columns from a table. Ensures that the result contains only unique rows for a specified column. Column 1, column 2, etc. Specifies the columns you want to retrieve the values from. Table name is the table where the data is retrieved, and where condition, which is it's optional, and filters where the data is retrieved. Apologies for the typo. So we'll just take a quick example to explain these concepts. I'll bring my PostgreSQL, so I've created a table, and I leave the syntax for creating the table as well as for populating the table in the video notes, so you can copy that and run it to explore this concept. So this is pretty much what I have. So I've created this table called orders. So let's just select star from orders, and you can see there's the order ID, then the customer name, product name, and then the city. So there's order 1, which is done by Alice. She bought a laptop in New York, and then Bob bought a smartphone in Los Angeles, and so on. So now let's say I want to find who are the distinct customers who are buying stuff from me. So this table has 6 columns, but I just want to know, okay, I've sold 6, I've had 6 orders, but what is the distinct customer names? And there's just 3 customers. So that's a first use case. You want to find out how many customers you have, or unique customers. Then you want to find what products have you sold. So you could have 10 different products in your inventory, and there were 6 orders. So how many products have I sold? And then you can see, oh, I've sold smartphone, tablet, and laptop. And then so it gives you distinct product name and customer name. But you could go and say, okay, I want a distinct combination of what products I'm setting in which city. Now this all of a sudden gives you 4. So tablets been sold in New York, laptops been sold in New York, smartphones been in Los Angeles, and laptop has been in Chicago. So you can see laptop has been sold in 2 different cities, while tablet and smartphone are very specific to one city. So you can play around and slice and dice the data to understand your data better. So let's just go back to select, and then we've got, okay, I want to find out what the distinct customers, what are the distinct items that I'm selling, and where are these distinct items being shipped to. So in this video we've essentially covered what the syntax for a distinct looks like, what are the benefits, or where the use case where we could use distinct. So it just shows you the distinct values in a specific column or a combination of columns. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics, or if you've got any confusions with this. Thank you. Bye.